In this video, I want to show you how to change phone number on OneXpert. This is simple. Subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional OneXpert account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXpert is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So to change your phone number, all you have to do is come out to menu, click on settings, and then you're going to come to security. And you're going to see a phone number here. If your phone number is already linked, all you have to do is to click on change and then put in the new phone number and click on link. If your phone number is active or good, OneXpert is going to send you a 6-digit code which you're going to input on the next box that appears after you click link. And once the phone number code is activated, your phone number is going to be linked to your OneXpert account. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.